Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is an animal. It's a wild animal known for its cunning and adaptability, and typically not human-friendly. It can be found in diverse regions across the world, including forests, grasslands, mountains, and urban areas. Well, how do we say its name correctly? In British accent, we may pronounce it as fox. Fox. While in American accent, we may pronounce it as fox. Fox. Foxes are known for their reddish fur, bushy tails, and exceptional hunting skills, often hunting alone rather than in packs. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about foxes, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.